Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some Christmas DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Alright, so for all of these projects I will be using these Dollar General gift bags. Now this is a pack of 4 and it was only $3, which I think is such a great price because I did make 6 projects with these bags. I'm going to start with my first one, and I will be using this gift bag that says special delivery. I'm going to just cut the circle in the center. There's 2 different ways you can cut this. You can cut it by leaving some of the square border, or you can just cut off the entire thing off and just have the circle like this instead. And that is what I did. So now I'm going to use these Dollar Tree. They're not paper plates. These are like plastic plates. And I found these in the wedding section, which I think these are such a great price. 4 come in a pack for just $1.25. So I'm going to now glue this circle in the center. I am going to use this Dollar Tree glue stick, but you can use Mod Podge so it can last longer. Now to decorate this some more, I will be adding this beautiful Christmas greenery that I already had. I actually made this myself. I put 2 of the greenery picks together, tied them in the center, used some berries, and added a bow. Now I'm going to just glue it underneath the delivery and then add this hanger that I made using some of the Dollar Tree beads. And that is it, guys. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this other beautiful bag that says Joy and this Dollar Tree decor sign. Now I'm going to remove the back and the image that says thankful, grateful, and blessed. This was kind of hard because it was glued in there pretty well, but I did manage to remove it by adding some heat using my air dryer or blow dryer. So now I'm going to cut the back, and I use this Dollar Tree wood plank to measure it. Now I could have used the back of the frame, but I wanted this picture or image to be smaller, so like that some of the buffalo check print can be shown when I glue this on the back. Hopefully that made sense. But anyways, I first cut it using my scissors. Now I did want this to be nice and straight, so I used this paper cutter thingy. To glue this, I'm using the same glue stick. Now my angle was very off, sorry about that, but all I did was just add some of this glue stick and then added the paper. I let this dry for a couple of minutes, then I added this back on the frame. I removed the little sawtooth hook that's on the side and added to the other side. And you can leave it like that, but I decided to add one of these wood little snowflakes that I got from this pack from the Dollar Tree. And honestly, I think this made it look so much better. But that is it for this beautiful joy sign. For my next project, I will be using this Santa Claus and Snowman paper bag, which honestly it is my least favorite. I wasn't going to use it, but then I was like, you know what, let me use the entire pack. So for this one, I'm going to just cut the image and add it to this Dollar Tree picture frame. I did cut it to size. As you can see, I did have to remove the little hanger. If not, it was going to be bumpy. I then used the same glue stick to glue this to the back. Now, it kind of wrinkled on me, but I still left it like that. You can hardly notice it, even after I tried to smooth those wrinkles out. But anyways, like I said, I just left it like that, and I felt like that was it. But then I was like, you know what? I have this would believe sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. I painted it using the Waverly Antique Wax and added to the bottom of the picture. And that is it, guys. That is it for this beautiful believe little Christmas sign, which is not my favorite, but it's not so bad. For my next project, I'm going to use this beautiful Believe bag, which this bag I am going to use to make 3 DIYs, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to start with my first one, and I'm going to simply cut the trees at the bottom. I first started by cutting this, and when I cut this, I was very careful that I didn't cut the sides. As you can see, they have snowflakes. I will be using that part later on. But for now, I'm going to cut the tree part, and I use this little paper cutter thingy to make it a lot easier and the line straight. I will be adding this on this wood plank that I got from the Dollar Tree, but first I'm going to paint it using the antique wax. And I only painted all the sides. I didn't paint the center since this is where I'm going to glue this image. I use this glue stick. So I let this dry, and I thought it was a good idea to use a piece of senshi and to like sand out some of the edges so it can look rustic and old. But I accidentally went too hard on this, and I cut more than I wanted to, so kind of looked funky at the end, and honestly I didn't like how this looked. So you can either leave it without you cutting this and it looks so much better, or what I did to fix this is I used some of the Dollar Tree nautical rope and just glued it around the border so it can cover those little rips or tears, whichever, but I covered that. I then added this bow to cover that corner, and I used this black ribbon to make the hanger. And that is it for this first project using this bag, which honestly I thought I had messed it up, but I think it still looks so beautiful after I fixed it. For my next project, I will be using this other part of the bag. This one that says believe. I'm going to carefully cut this. Then I'm going to carefully remove the little hanger thing. Be very careful, if not you will rip it. I did rip the first one that I tried, so then I had to use the back of it, which honestly that is so good that these bags have the same image to the front and the back. Now the next thing I will be doing is just adding this image to this frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. I did have to cut it a little more, and I glued this using the same glue stick. Now to finish this off, I will be adding these Dollar Tree little snowflakes that I painted white. So I knew where I wanted to glue 2 of the snowflakes, but the third snowflakes, I had no clue where to glue it. So I did messed around with it a little bit, and then I ended up adding it on top of the eye so it can look like the eye and the dot. But honestly, you can place these snowflakes wherever you like. That is it, guys. Look how beautiful this belief sign turned out. For my last project, using this paper bag, I'm going to cut the side part which has these snowflakes. This project is going to be so easy and simple. I'm using one of the Dollar Tree LED candles, and I'm going to glue this piece of the bag on the candle. I then use some of the Dollar Tree jute twine to just wrap it around the candle. Using the same twine, I made a bow in the front. And that is it for this candle, which honestly, I think it turned out so cute. And it goes great with the rest of the DIYs I made using this bag. And that is it for these quick and easy Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs using these gift bags. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.